Summer breeze makes me feel fine, but it also closes my interior doors. Luckily, I just made some simple fabric doorstops to hold them open and spruce up my decor. Are you ready to make your very own customizable doorstop? Grab your sewing kit and let's get to it. Cut out 2 pieces of fabric that are 9 by 7.5 inches. Place together with right sides facing. Pin and sew the sides and bottom with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Make sure the shorter sides are the top and bottom. Pinch the corners so that the seams line up and pin in place. Draw a line about 1.5 to 2 inches from the corner. Sew across the line, backstitching at both ends. Repeat for the other corner. Trim both corners about a 1/4 inch from the seam. Turn right side out and poke out the corners. Fill with rice or other filling until it reaches your desired weight or fullness. If you use too much, it may be difficult to sew shut. I ended up using about 3 cups of rice, which weighs about 20 ounces. Cut a 6-inch length of webbing. Fold the edges into the middle about 1/2 inch and pin. Fold the webbing in half and pin the edges between the layers in the middle. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, backstitching at both ends. And that's it, the doorstop is complete. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any questions or comments you have, and we'll see you next time.